First of all, we need to get to the access hole. Use an Allen key head and turn until loose. Doesn't matter how many times. You'll notice the cap get loose. Not loose yet, keep going. You don't really need to pull the handle out. It doesn't lock in, so once the cap is loose, that's it, comes out as so. And then just pull the handle out and towards you. And then you'll have a plug, which you need just a little pick to unplug the wire. Pull out actually 2 plugs. Just unclip those. And basically that's it. Not too hard on these models.